Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you the experience of visiting a Philippines embassy in Helsinki. I have already visited the Philippines embassy last year for the renewal of my son's passport. That was the passport renewal of the youngest boy. Now we need to renew the passport of our eldest son and the daughter. So I live in Vanta. It's just 30 minutes drive from my location to Helsinki, right near to the Helsinki Cathedral. I'll put the complete address down in the description. If you want to see, you can check it out. So I'll be driving straight from here to Helsinki, and I'll put the location Piikluvi. Piikluvi is the paid parking. You can park here, but remember that once you arrive there, in front of the parking space, you need to wait for the signal, green signal. Once it turns green, then you can go inside, drive straight into the tunnel, and then you will arrive here in the basement parking. There is fee like 36 to 37 euro for 4 hours parking. Then you need to walk almost a kilometer straight to the Alexander Street. You can see here on the elevator it's mentioned Alexander Street. Then once you go on the second floor, you can go out of the Piikluvi. You can walk straight, just keep walking. You will cross the street. End of this street, you will see the Helsinki Cathedral. From the cathedral, you need to turn right. I'm walking straight. You can see the Helsinki Cathedral on my left side. Once you spot the Helsinki Cathedral, you go to the right side. Now you keep walking for 2 to 3 minutes. You can see the flags there. You will find the Philippines flag. Now here is the Philippines flag. From here I'm gonna turn right, and there you can see the Gastro Hub. Here is the Philippines Embassy in this building on the 6th floor. So once you arrive there, the door is closed. You need to press this one, intercom, press the 6th floor, and press the call button. You already have the appointment, so you can go straight to the 6th floor. You can walk by the stairs, or you can get the elevator. We took the elevator. 6th floor is a small elevator. 4 people are allowed. We are 5, but we don't reach 400 kg. So once you arrive there, they already know. They will open the door for you. You go inside. Inside is not allowed to film their official place. I'll be filming only the instructions outside, and my kids only in the video who are here for the passport renewal. So here are the instructions. Of course, the instructions are also mentioned on their website. You can read them there. After that, we went inside. Passport renewal is only for the 2, so we have 2 appointments. Appointment for a girl and for my autistic boy. It's gonna be challenging, of course, because he doesn't agree to sit still and take a picture. So initially we did the paperwork, filled up all the papers, checked the requirements together. We didn't pay the fee. We were planning to pay the cash, so we paid cash. You can also do the bank transfer. So after filling up all the information, fed the information, pictures taken, the process completed, and then we left the embassy. The first appointment was at 9 o'clock and the second was at 9:30, but both of them finished in 20 minutes. So we arrived there at 9 o'clock. At 9:20 we were out. It was so quick and so efficient process. We finished everything within 20 to 25 minutes. Last year, for the passport renewal of our youngest son, we found an appointment booked appointment online, but this time we had been checking appointments for 2 months, but we didn't find any appointments. So we had a difficulty. We sent them an official email and informed them about the situation that we cannot book the appointment. So they gave us appointment by email. So this was an email appointment. We came here and the process was completed. So if you have difficulty, you cannot book online appointment, of course you can call them or you can send them an official email and they will respond to you. So it was a nice experience, hassle free, nicely done everything. Process was smooth. Now we'll be waiting for the passport that will be released after 2 weeks or within a month. We have planned actually to go to Philippines on vacation, so we still have few months. Probably we're gonna receive the passport before that. After that we came out and planned to move around here in Helsinki to enjoy the nice summer weather. Weather is nice, sun is shining. We went to Kaupatori, Helsinki market. It's not very crowded in the morning, but if you come in the afternoon, you will find so many people. It's nice to walk around, especially in summer. Here you can find Finnish foods, freshly cooked foods, meat, fish, reindeer. But we already had our breakfast, so we don't have plan to eat right now. Here if you want to go Helsinki under the bridge, there is 24 euro cruise ship trip. You can book it here. There was a barcode you can scan and book if you want to go around here in Helsinki. And of course if you want to go to Suomenlinna, you can also book the cruise ship. You don't need to pay separately. If you have HSL bus ticket, you're using the HSL app, you can buy the ticket for 24 hours and you can use it. It's quite cheaper, to go here around Helsinki if you use their bus services, or HSL covers the trip. It was nice weather, so we enjoyed walking around. There we found also Korkesaari Zoo if you want to go by cruise. The instructions are there. Now kids spotted the ice cream corner, so we had to buy ice cream for them. It is about 6 euro each. So whenever you see the ice cream, of course, kids will not leave you. After that, we sat for a while until they finished their ice creams. So we were done for the day. The passport renewal process is done. We had already walked around. It's time to go home. So this was my visit about the Philippines Embassy. If you like the video, please thumbs up. If you have any question, you can write down in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer the questions. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.